What's up?
Are you at home?
Yeah, why?
Can you do me like the biggest boss favor in the entire world?
Maybe.
I will owe you my entire life.
Maybe.
I think I left my dog outside and I'm at work.
Oh my god.
You're dead for me. Please. It's raining.
Okay, you guys, so it has been a little while since the last time I updated you guys. So last time I gave you guys kind of like a little sneak peek, but now my room is done. It looks crazy good and it's like freakishly clean, which is weird to me because honestly, my bedroom is probably the cleanest right now than it's ever been, like since we moved into this house. So it's kind of just like making me a little anxious to see it that clean, but it looks really good. I know that my parents would be proud that it's now clean. Are you ready to see it? Ta-da! So this is what my room now looks like. It is weirdly clean, as you can see, but it looks so good. I kind of have a feeling that this video may turn into like a mini room tour, but honestly, that's okay. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys this, which is new. This is my bedroom door. It's the door we just came through, and on the wall right behind it I have my monthly calendar. So I think I got this at Walmart, but I've had it for a very long time, but this is the first time I've actually hung it. So it's nice, it's convenient, I can just kind of see everything, and I have some cute little photos. And then you look down here now, I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with this yet. I was thinking of putting this whiteboard just under, but then I feel like that would be kind of crowded, so I'm not 100% sure. But this whiteboard just kind of maps out like all of my YouTube planning and jazz. Here I've got this little mug that my mom got for me. It says like a boss, because if you guys know, I am constantly aspiring to be a lady boss, so you know, just fits nicely. And inside I have all of my whiteboard markers, erasers, spray, whatever, so I can fix these boards up if I need to. And please don't mind this is from soccer, so just, yeah. Okay, so turning over here a little bit, this I already showed you guys a sneak peek of, but look what I found. So I got this wired basket from HomeSense. It is so pretty. It's silver, which obviously, as you can tell from my jewelry, I love, but this was exactly my vision. I think this basket is perfect, and it was relatively cheap as well, so good for that. And I showed this with you guys already. This is my IKEA laundry hamper, and this is my Spotify right now, so if you guys want to follow me, I'll leave that down below. I've been listening to music constantly with that, so awesome. And then we're gonna turn this way to my bed. I think I already shared this with you guys because I know I showed this pillow, so nothing here has changed. I don't really want to add any more pillows because let's be real, I know for sure that they're just gonna end up on the floor 90% of the time, but at least with this one I've actually been doing really well with making my bed every single day and putting that there, so I'm kind of proud of myself, you know. And right up above my bed I have this wired frame. So I've been wanting one of these for a very long time, and I've actually had this for a while now. This is from Winners HomeSense, and as you can see, it's just hanging some of my pictures. It looks super cute. Then we're moving down to my bedside table. So this kind of still looks a little cluttered to me. I don't really know how to fix it. I think it's just because it's a small surface and there is quite a few things on it, but this is what it is for now. So we've got my remote for my fan, water bottle because you gotta stay hydrated. This lamp I've had since college, and this little corner is super cute. I have had this set up for a while. You guys would have seen these two items from my room decor haul. I'll link that down below if you guys haven't seen it, but this is from Michaels, this is from Winners. I've had this frame forever, and that's baby Chloe. So cute. And then just, you know, other things, but I love this. It's been holding all my jewelry, like my everyday jewelry, so it's really nice. And underneath is a little coaster I made, so that's super cool. And now we're gonna move up to this wall. So this is another room decor piece that I made, and my coworker made this for me. It says hot stuff. It's really cute. But this was so easy. You literally just stain popsicle sticks and stack them, and it's this really cool like layered geometric kind of piece here. And this is also a DIY I made. So it's class of 2018 graduate because I did graduate this year from college for good. So I kind of wanted a little piece to like remember this year. This entire craft is actually from Michael's. So the flower, the glass beads, and the shot glass. So that's what it looks like. It's a carnation, which is my favorite flower, and I think it just looks really nice. And I mean, we don't really have to show this, but I've had this doll forever, so she just kind of stays up there with my little dream catcher. Again, I feel like this is still a little bit cluttered, but it definitely looks way better than it did before. So these are kind of my everyday products and just some stuff I have out, like the nail polish, the lipsticks. I've definitely condensed that a lot. There used to be way more bottles and containers and stuff. Oh. Hey guys. My everyday makeup, I have this storage which I've had for years, but I recently brought up this storage, which as you can see, it's like full. It has so much in here, but I bought this when I was in my first year dorm. Super convenient for my clothes, and now it's super convenient for like the randomest things. Like I can't even describe to you guys how random these drawers are, but as you can see, obviously they are pretty messy and just like disorganized. So if you guys have any like containers I can put in these drawers to help organize, please let me know where I can buy them from, or like what's your favorite, because I'm definitely gonna need to get a few. I mean, everything just rolls around when I open these up and down. And on top I have some cute glasses, my belt, memory cards. This is Minnie Mouse, which is a gift that my boyfriend's 4-year-old niece got me, which is so sweet. Love it, so I keep it there. I think I got this little thing at Target, but I've also had this for a really long time, so that is that. Now we are moving this way to my dresser. The reason this is here is because I want to put it on this wall like that, so you can see all my jewelry and stuff and then be like, oh girl, you look great, you know? But I'm still not 100% sure. This is from Indigo. I believe I got it in second year. I know I had it in that apartment, but I'm obsessed with it. It's got all the eyelash and stuff and love it. So let me know if you guys think I should put it on this wall. But I showed these plates and all the jewelry with you guys already, but I did switch up this corner. So I found this really pretty mirror at HomeSense, and it's just a little vanity mirror. It's actually one of those like trendy mirrors where it's got the block on the bottom and then the circle mirror. So I was really into that. And this is from one of my grandmas, and then this is just a little amethyst with the Virgin, because I am a Virgo and Virgo represents the Virgin. So yeah, so I just thought those were cute together, and this I already showed with you guys, so we're just gonna move past that. Down to my desk, which is such a transformation. I didn't take any before shots, which I'm now kicking myself in the butt for, because this is like probably one of the biggest transformations in my bedroom. Just imagine this being covered with paperwork and receipts, and just like you literally could not see this. So it looks so good now. This is what I call my little like Zen corner. So I got this plant from HomeSense. You guys probably saw this envelope holder in my decor haul. It is from IKEA and it has all my books, and then just a little candle. Don't drag me for pulling out my fall candle already. I love the size of this candle with this corner. It just looks really, really nice. So that's that, and then I have my journal here, which has some emotional stuff in it. Whenever I get like very stressed or anxious, I write in this. If anybody's watching this that is close to me, never read this, ever. Okay, so now looking at this corner, this is kind of like my study corner, I guess. So obviously I've got all of my like school supplies, highlighters, pens, pencils, all that jazz. But the funny part is that I graduated school forever this year, so will that ever get much use? Probably not, but it's there, so I mean. I just feel like a desk is incomplete with something that looks like this. But anyways, it's in this really cute holder, which you guys also would have seen in my room decor haul. It's from IKEA, and I have some tape, a stapler, some erasers, and this adorable frame that my boyfriend's parents actually got for me. It just says 2018, and obviously this isn't us, I just haven't put a picture in. That's the look, so it's to remind me that I used all of these things, did all the, you know, stressful crap to get to here. And over here I have all my shoes on this shoe rack from Walmart. And last but not least, oh, I have a mirror. So this is the mirror that I have had since first year of college. Now I do have another one that is in my closet. I do my hair here. I mean, you can't tell because it's not like I have hair products or anything, but they're all in there. But mirrors always make a space feel bigger. I know I do have a really decent sized bedroom, but I just like having this here because I feel like it reflects the light really well. And I mean, not that I need that, I have 4 giant windows, but you know what I mean. It helps with the room. It looks cute. I have it on this little box from Aldo. Not 100% sure if I want to keep it like that. And I almost forgot about something. So you guys may have noticed at one point or another that I have little twinkly somethings in the background of a lot of my videos. So I got these twinkle lights from Michael's. I think they're like 20 feet because they go all the way from the bottom here all across and down to the other side. Right now they're on. Can you tell? No, because I think I need to change the battery. They're just this like coppery color and they have little lights, if you guys can see. I know it's hard to tell, but it's so cool, especially at nighttime when it's fully dark in here. Just having that on, and to be honest, they do project a lot of light, so it feels very like twilighty. You just want to curl up with candles lit everywhere. So that is my room. Do you guys love it? Because I do. I'm finally at the point where like I don't have to hide what my room looks like in my videos because it's clean, it looks pretty, it looks nice. There's definitely been a lot of times where I have to crop the video or like zoom in so much or tilt the camera a certain way just so you guys don't see like my desk in the background or just certain things that were super messy and gross looking, but now everything looks really pretty. So it just kind of goes to show that bringing in a few new room decor pieces can really transform your bedroom and spice it up and make it super cute. And honestly, everything I shared with you guys was at such an affordable price. I'm not the type of person that can justify paying like $50 for something tiny, you know what I mean, like a little vase or a container or something, because God knows that there's things out there that retail for that kind of price. That's why I shop at places like IKEA and HomeSense, because they have amazing prices. Not sponsored at all, I wish. I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys, that you can have a really pretty bedroom, apartment, anything for such a great price. I feel really great. Like I love spending my time in here now because it's just me, you know. It's not like teenager Brooke anymore. It's not like freaking preteen Brooke anymore. This is like adult Brooke. You know, she's here, she's living, we love her. But anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed. I can try my best to link things down below. I don't think Winners or HomeSense has a website with products on it, but I can definitely link the things from IKEA. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you do want to see more like home decor, room decor, apartment, like storage and stuff, I feel like I've really mastered storage, trust me. Or anything that you guys have ideas of that are room related, definitely let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear, and I would love to like continue this on my channel. That is it for me. Video is over. Love you guys so much. Thanks so much again for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, do that down below. Remember that you are uniquely you. You are so loved and beautiful, and I hope you're having an amazing day or night when you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.